And why do fireflies light up? Hello there, I'm back again with some commonly unknown fact. Humans have always been curious about light. Right from the day when we felt the need to invent fire to Edison's numerous trials to perfect luminescence. I also sometimes just stare at the flickering flame. Speaking of light, you might be aware of fireflies. Those little bright flies turn the night woods amazingly beautiful. Well, let's get into the show and understand how do they put up such an amazing show. Let's understand how they produce light and most importantly why. So let's ignite our spirit of curiosity and get rolling. Let's understand initially what is the difference between bioluminescence and fluorescence. Bioluminescent organisms can glow in complete darkness, whereas fluorescent organisms, such as some butterflies which have fluorescent markings on their wings, would not glow in complete darkness. That was quite the fact, but we are interested in bioluminescent for now. Fireflies are perhaps the best known example, though many other species are bioluminescent, including glowworms, anglerfish, and octopus. Even some plants such as mushroom and other fungi are bioluminescent. What allows some plants and animals to create their own light? It's all about energy. Most people know that chemical energy can be released as heat. That's how the food we eat gets transformed into body heat. In bioluminescent organisms, that chemical energy can also be released in the form of light. Fireflies produce a chemical reaction inside their bodies that allows them to light up. The method by which fireflies produce light is perhaps the best known example of bioluminescence. When oxygen combines with calcium, adenosine triphosphate and the chemical luciferin in the presence of luciferase, a bioluminescent enzyme, light is produced. So basically, as air rushes into a firefly's abdomen, it reacts with the luciferin and a chemical reaction gives off the firefly's familiar glow. The firefly can regulate the airflow into the abdomen to create a pulsating pattern. A firefly controls the beginning and end of the chemical reaction and thus the start and stop of its light emission by adding oxygen to the other chemicals needed to produce light. When oxygen is available, the light organ lights up, and when it is not available, the light goes out. A firefly's light is termed as fold light as it does not produce heat as compared with a light bulb. We know they produce light, but why? Why do they even want to glow? Fireflies appear to light up for a variety of reasons. Larvae use their glows as warning displays to communicate their distastefulness. As adults, many fireflies have flash patterns unique to their species and use them to identify other members of their species as well as to discriminate between members of the opposite sex. Several studies have shown that female fireflies choose mates depending upon specific male flash pattern characteristics. Higher male flash rates as well as increased flash intensity have been shown to be more attractive to females in two different firefly species. The adult fireflies of some species are not luminescent at all. However, they use pheromones to locate males. It's usually June and July when they are mating and very active as adults. The adults only live a few months and most of their life cycle is spent as larvae in the soil because they have attracted males in through the flashing signals. They mate, lay eggs in the soil and then the life cycle continues as larvae to the following year. Now that you know how the flies glow, I was thinking what if our abdomen also glow during the night? Wow, that was a weird trail of thought though. You continue imagining and keep your spirit of curiosity ignited until I meet you.